Learn English speaking practice. Topic 1. Family and home. 1. How old are you? I'm 8 years old. 2. How many people are there in your family? There are 4 people in my family. 3. Where do you live? I live in Bac Ninh, Vietnam. 4. Do you live in a house or a flat? I live in a house. 5. Is your house big or small? My house is big.
6. How many bedrooms are there in your house? There are 4 bedrooms in my house. 7. Is your bedroom big or small? My bedroom is big. 8. Do you have a garden at your house? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. 9. Where do you watch television? I watch TV in the living room. 10. How many rooms are there in your house or flat? There are 4 rooms in my house. 11. Where is the television in your house? It's in the living room. 12. Is there a computer in your house? Yes, there is. Or, no, there isn't. Topic 2. School. 1. How many children are there in your class? There are 20 students in my class. 2. What is your favorite lesson? My favorite lesson is English. 3. Who do you sit next to at school? I sit next to my friend at school. Four. What's your friend's name? My friend's name is Helen. 5. How old is your friend? My friend is 8 years old. 6. What sport do you play at school? I play volleyball at school. 7. Who do you play with at school? I play with my friends at school. Topic 3. Food. 1. Do you like eating meatballs? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 2. Do you like eating sweets? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 3. Do you like drinking orange juice? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 4. Do you like kiwis? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Five. Who cooks breakfast at your home? My mom cooks breakfast. 6. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is chicken. 7. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is an apple. 8. Where do you eat dinner? I eat dinner in the dining room. 9. What do you drink at breakfast? I drink orange juice for breakfast. 10. What do you eat for lunch? I eat bread for lunch. 11. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is chicken. Part 4. Animals. 1. Do you have a pet? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 2. What pet do you want to have? I want to have a cat. 3. Do you like elephants? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 4. What animals are there at the zoo? There are tigers, elephants, and lions at the zoo. Part 5. Sport and leisure. 1. Can you swim? Yes, I can. No, I can't. 2. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. No, I can't. 3. Where do you ride your bike? I ride my bike in the park. 4. Who do you ride your bike with? I ride my bike with my friends. 5. What sport do you like? I like badminton. 6. Who do you play sports with? I play with my friends. 7. Where do you play? I play in the park. 8. Do you play basketball? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 9. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is swimming. 10. Do you take photos? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 11. Can you play the guitar? Yes, I can. No, I can't. "12. What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is listening to music. 13. What is your favorite song? My favorite song is ABC. 14. Do you like watching TV? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Part 6. Clothes and toys. 1. Do you wear a shirt? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 2. What color is your shirt? My shirt is green. 3. Do you wear glasses? Yes, I do. No, I don't. "4. What color are your trousers? My trousers are black. 5. Are your trousers old or new? My trousers are old. 6. What do you wear at school? I wear a shirt and trousers at school. 7. Have you got a robot? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. 8. What are your favorite toys? My favorite toy is a robot. 9. Do you play with toy cars? Yes, I do. No, I don't. 10. Where do you keep your toys? I keep my toys in my bedroom.